Start the week with our quick business tips and advice. This week's idea is Roundup Posts. Roundup posts contain lists of resources gathered from other bloggers' content or several resources, including different products, recipes, tips, etc. You can use these posts to summarize the works of different people, usually experts, in the chosen niche. Other examples of Roundup posts could be 11 SEO hacks from professional bloggers, 10 best new blogs of 2021, 51 great blogs or online portals to submit your guest post. Crafting Roundup posts requires a lot of research on the experts of your niche. Just research the numbers your competitors are providing and exceed those numbers for your own posts. However, they have plenty of benefits like helping you gain backlinks, building relationships with influencers in your niche, etc. Make sure to follow these tips to craft your Roundup posts. Choose contributors who have an established presence in your niche. Check your contributors' social activity to identify if they're active on social platforms. Give preference to quality over quantity. Make sure to cite the original authors or contributors. Reach out to the authors after writing your post. Create a personalized outreach message. More tips and advice every Monday. Have a good business week.